So, hello Miss, good day. So, today I will explain to you Miss the problem that imong gihatag sa mga Miss. So, ako is number 2. It's because number 26 ko sa master list Miss. So, mag-start ako Miss. So, using system mo siya ang library Miss. And then the namespace, this is the container of the class. And then the class program, this is the container of your data and the methods. And then the static void main, this is the entry point. And then the console.write line, so ang rin is welcome to the tax calculator. So makita na to siya inika para na to sa code is. And then this line is the while true. So this is the start of the infinite loop. So it means the program keeps running until the user decides to stop. And then the console.write, so this asks the user to enter the item price. And then is the if decimal that try parse, so the decimal that try parse is it means tries to convert the text into a decimal number. And then the read line, so gets the user input as text. So, and then the out decimal item price or item price lesser than 0. So, and then next is we have the console.write line invalid input, please enter a valid positive number. So, if diri miss sa item price, if ang i-input sa user is negative number, so magawa siya nga invalid input, please enter a valid positive number. It's because miss dapat dili man siya mo less than 0 ang item price nga input sa user. Dapat positive number din siya. And then if the user inputs a positive number, so mo continue ta. And then next we have miss the console.write. So enter, so this asks the user to enter sales tax rate in percentage. So this line is same na po ni siya og explanation ani this line. So it needs, so console.write line, so this line means it needs na the user should input a positive number, not a negative number. It's because if the user inputs a negative number, mo print siya invalid input, please enter a valid positive number. If the user input a positive number, mo continue ato ang programming. And then this line is the formula. So we have the decimal tax amount, the item price times tax rate divide 100. So, and then this line is the decimal total price of item price plus the tax amount. And then this line is the console.write line, so the tax amount. So the tax amount, the dollar sign, and then as you can see, is na siya F2 diri. So the F2 means 2 decimal places. So instead na 12.12345, so ang ibutang niya is 12.12. It's because ang F2 and same as this line is na siya F2. So same na po siya diri nga 2 decimal places, so yun ang iyang ibutang. And then next we have this line is the console.write. So do you want to calculate tax for another item? So if the user will input the yes miss or the y, so mo continue gyapon ang program mo balik siya aning enter the item price if the user will input y or yes. If the user will input a and or no, so ang mo print means is thank you for using the tax collector. And then as you can see diri miss na trim diri. So ang means sa trim, it removes any spaces. And then to upper miss, it means it's either the user will input a lowercase or uppercase y or n, i-treat niya po siya same. And then we have yes mismo ato siya diri if the user will input n or no, so mo siya mo gawas na thank you for using the tax calculator and break, and then mo start na ang ano na ko to ba, ano na siya ko to ba tong code aning tax calculator. So karon miss ato siya ipatry og run. So as you can see miss, now welcome to the tax calculator. So mo ni siya atong first console, and then na nakabutan na enter the item price. So for example, ato i-enter ang 100, and then the sales tax rate is 8.50. So nakabutan na diri miss ang tax amount, the $8.50 and then the total price including tax $108.50, and then as you can see miss, na nakabutan na, do you want to calculate tax for another item? Yes or no. So if the user will input Y, so mo balik siya sa enter the item price miss. So another example is 250 atong item price, and then the sales tax rate is 5. So this is the tax amount, $12.50, and then the total price including tax is $262.50, and then nakita na pud balik ang ni-ask na pud balik niya, do you want to calculate tax for another item? So if the user will input no, if dili siya mag-calculate og another item, so ang magawas miss is thank you for using the tax calculator. So mag-end na diri ang atong program. Alright siya miss, I hope that you understand my explanation miss, and thank you.